Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
Yeah, what's happening, y'all? Yeah, I'm back in. But yeah, man, just want to talk to y'all about this iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. First of all, it's a funny ass name, iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a funny ass name, but it is what it is. All right, it's supposed to have an ultra wide, a wide telephoto cameras. Also supposed to have, of course, the new fastest chip, the A13 processor chip. I mean, like, come on, man. Apple keeps saying they reinvented a new word basically every single year with fast chip, the fastest chip, the most powerful chip. But it's like, man, like, honestly, if you got your last few iPhones, man, like, honestly, you won't really notice a difference between loading speeds, etc. I mean, and of course, I mean, it's gonna drop with iOS 13 on September 19th, which all Apple devices, I mean, iPhones are pretty much gonna get. So, I mean, I'm hearing it's supposed to be actually a dark mode that's supposed to be included, you know what I mean? And also what I'm hearing is it's supposed to have a night mode that automatically comes on and adjusts to the scene that you're in. As far as like if you're in a dark setting, it's supposed to be like a dark mode. So that's gonna be hot, man. Like a dark mode that it just switches on like automatically when it detects that you're in like poor lighting situations. Oh man, that shit is gonna be ridiculous. And it's gonna be a 6.5 inch display. They also have a 5.8 inch Super Retina XDR display, which is crazy. I'm thinking about that one too. That's a little bit too small for me, you know what I'm saying? I got pretty moderate to big size hands. I got some long ass hands, so it is what it is, man. Like I just can't deal with small phones, man, you know what I mean? So I don't know, we'll see. But it says it's supposed to be water resistant for up to 4 meters and up to like 30 minutes. That seemed like a pretty good spec. Definitely something that's needed. I mean, in case you definitely splash your phone in some water. But I never trusted, like, as far as like from people saying, hey, you know, it's okay if you drop your phone in water and you leave it in water. No, I still don't do it because it's still a device. It still has a battery. I mean, like, yeah, you can, yeah, it's all right if you can in the rain and it's suddenly got a little splash of water on it, that's fine. But I don't ever trust my devices, even with water, because the first thing that these carriers say when you're trying to swap phones or upgrade, they say, oh, does the phone have water damage, etc. And you know, you're always taking a gamble with that. What else are we looking at? Cause you know I got the XS Max. It's saying that it has up to 5 hours more than battery than the iPhone XS Max. That might be hot, because right now I got the XS Max and the battery life is garbage, nigga, straight garbage. But it is what it is. That's straight garbage. But let me see. So far, I mean, like I said, it has 12 megapixel main cameras, 12 megapixel front camera. Of course, it has 3 cameras in the back, including the flash. Basically, with that being said, I'm thinking that it has a regular wide and a much more wider 12 megapixel camera. If I'm not mistaken. I think that's okay, but yeah, definitely. We'll see what it do. And also, I know a lot of people have been raising the question: are you changing carriers? Are you switching? And today, yes, I did. I changed carriers on one of my lines. I did switch to Verizon. So I will be getting my first iPhone device with Verizon on September 20th. So we'll sit down. We'll do an unboxing, and we'll talk about it for a little bit. Definitely the compare and contrast and everything that that has to do with the iPhone, we'll definitely break it down. But so far, I mean, like I said, it's an iPhone. iPhones are pretty much simple, but we'll break it down. We'll talk about the cameras. We'll talk about how fast it is. We'll compare it to the Note 10 Plus. We'll go from there. We'll do a few more other little things, and we'll try and break it down. I was unsuccessful in trying to pre-order my Call of Duty Modern Warfare Steelbook edition because they said that unfortunately, yeah, it's basically over with. Yeah, that was a tough pill to swallow on that one. But I was able to pre-order the Ghost Recon Limited Edition Steelbook, the Ultimate Edition of the Ghost Recon Breakpoint. So we'll definitely do an unboxing on that one. We'll do an unboxing on the Zelda Link's Awakening, the new remake on Switch. And anything else you guys want me to basically tear down and talk about, we'll definitely sit down and we'll talk about. But back to the iPhone 11. I don't know why Apple actually came up with a regular iPhone 11 like that's an XR version. I understand they're trying to cater it to a much more larger crowd, because yeah, those are gonna be their, headlining budget type, iPhone 11s, like the iPhone 11 Pro and Max Pro. Those are the ones that's more built for the guys that actually want more out of their device. They want the top tier devices, which I want the best. I want the top tier device. So I definitely went for the Gusto. You know what I mean? But we're definitely gonna tear it down. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna see what's the similarities between the iPhone XS Max. Will I be selling my iPhone XS Max? Yeah. Somebody make an offer to me right now and get it for $500. And get my iPhone XS Max right now from T-Mobile for $500. Holler at me. If you interested, we'll definitely talk about that. And yeah, I definitely just want to sit down, man, have a quick talk with y'all, man, because I didn't really actually speak on the iPhone release itself. So that's gonna be my next thing that I'm gonna do, is definitely start looking towards this iPhone next. So we'll definitely jump into the iPhone. We'll definitely talk about some of the similarities. We'll break down everything top to bottom. And yeah, I just thought I'd stop by and give you all a quick little video real quick. My bad if y'all hear this air in my car going off. You know this car be blowing out straight snowball air. Oh man, and yeah guys, I forgot. And Apple is finally, thank God, finally putting an 18-watt fast charger in the box. I got to say, that's definitely what's up. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about, Apple. All right, that's what I'm talking about. But still, I mean, I kind of would have wished that they would have put it in all the iPhone 11 variant boxes, because I mean, either way it go, 11 still is an 11. You know what I mean? But that's neither here nor there. I can understand why they marketed it that way as far as for iPhone 11, but still, you got to think about your customers in general. Your customers are the ones, and your loyal fan base, those are the ones that's going to keep coming back, you know what I'm saying, for more. So it is what it is though. But we gonna see, man. We gonna see what it do. I'm definitely happy that they did include the iPhone 11 fast charge in the box for the iPhone 11 Max Pro. I've been talking to a few of my guys. They've been saying that, yeah, they want to try out iPhones. They want to actually get involved in the Apple ecosystem. I was just telling everybody, like, once in a while, everybody in their life should experience an iPhone at least once in your lifetime. You should definitely be impulsive and definitely embrace the Apple ecosystem at least once in your life. You got to open your eyes and ears. You got to be definitely open to try new things, because that's how I am. I always like to try new things no matter what the circumstances are. But this has been your boy MOB Calico, aka Calico the True. Alright, like, comment, share. Thank y'all for stopping by. Hit the bell for the notifications on the spot. and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Later.